How to make money on YouTube, without recording videos, free training. The very small percentage of people, the 1%, who are able to live life on their own terms, doing what they want to do with their time. They have little worry. Spending whatever money they need to spend to acquire what they need to live their life. Your tutor is Matt Parr, and he makes thousands of dollars every month, using YouTube to make money online without recording videos. Are you sick of waking up every day having to do what you hate, and having little to no freedom, and not enough money as well? Unfortunately, this is the case for 99% of people. But there is someone who represents a better life. Matt Parr has a fantastic, ingenious strategy, which is to make money on YouTube, without recording videos, plus his completely complimentary no-cost training. Have you ever seen somebody with money, without a partner? Hello YouTube friends. My name is Penelope. The information on this YouTube channel, and the resources available, are for educational and informational purposes only. Today we are going to be going over how to make money on YouTube, without recording videos. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After watching, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. This video was prepared in the English language with a female narrator. In order for this to be the best way to how to make money on YouTube, without recording videos, it has to meet a few criteria. Number 1, you don't have to get on camera or be some sort of influencer. Number 2, you don't have to create a product and a course. Number 3, you don't have to have a large amount of starting capital to do this. Number 4, it has to have a long lifespan, which means you do the work once, and then it can pay you regularly going forward for years to come. Nice to have you here. Please stay with us. We want to help you with how to make money on YouTube without recording videos, free training, so that you have the money to do what you want, and live your life how you want, drive the car that you want, and live in the house that you want and enjoy the partner that you want. As Matt says, yes, you can do it too. In this video today, we're going to give you an introduction to show you exactly what Matt is doing. The information that we are giving you is from Matt's experience. Matt Parr went from a completely broke high school student at the age of 14, to now making greater than $30,000 a month with YouTube within 8 years, before he was 23. Matt wants to show you how to do the same. As at 2024, Matt is about 23 years old, coping with a beautiful girlfriend. So after watching the video, check out the link at the top of the comments below, to see what we can do to help you to make money on YouTube, without recording videos for years to come. With Matt's teachings, we can endeavor to help you to do this. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After watching, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. As Matt says, yes, you can do it too. In this video here today, we are going to give you an introduction to show you exactly what Matt is doing. The information that we are giving you here today is from Matt's experience. We are presenting an introduction to Matt Parr's views on how to make money on YouTube without recording videos. Matt started out as a 14-year-old and has spent years honing his craft. Nice that you are watching this video. Now if you're watching this, I'm guessing that you like smart work over hard work. Matt is the same exact way. So, let's get on to how to make money on YouTube, without recording videos. This, in Matt's opinion, is using ready-to-use video footage content platforms. Matt will walk you through exactly how to do this method in his free course. But for starters, write down 10 things that you have an interest in. This can be literally anything. Hobbies, what you read and watch, just for fun, what you do as a job. Feel free to pause the screen. Then compare this with this list of categories that those 10 things are a part of. The categories include finances, being healthy, people's psychology, technology and traveling. Matt will show you how to summon your list of ideas. Go to YouTube and search the category that you wrote down in step number 1. You find 3 channels within that category, and you find channels that are primarily based on what's being said throughout the video. Matt will show you how to do this, and if you've opened 3 channels now, you have a list of 30 ideas. Now this is the only part of this process where you do have to do a tiny bit of work. But trust me, it is way better than any other online job or YouTube channel idea that's out there. That's precisely because you can keep making money for years into the future even if you're not working. Feel free to use multiple videos as inspiration. Take the best aspects of each video and add in anything you know as well, in order to add the most value. After this, pull out your phone, open the voice recorder app and then simply read your script. Matt will address how to get unlimited content, without having to run into copyright issues. So now we have our talking audio file that we recorded on our phone. It's good that you're still with us. Let's say we were running a travel video, about the top 10 little-known best countries to visit. Let's say, one of those countries was Azerbaijan. This is a country that most stock footage websites may not have stock footage for. However, if we search this, as you may see, we have about 91 clips that we can use on this obscure country. Let's say we need music in the background of our videos. Matt will show you how to get free music, sound effects, images, basically everything you need. There are tons of different options which he shows in his free training course. The best thing about this is, you're not going to have copyright problems, like you could potentially have, if you do compilation videos or anything like that. In order to do this, all you have to do is import your audio file and video footage into a video editing program. Then it's as simple as dragging and dropping your clips right there. You can really get creative with how you piece these together. But you don't have to do anything too crazy in order for it to work. Once you've pieced everything together, you can simply go to File Export to make your master file, then you're good to go. It's fantastic that you came by. Thank you. You can now upload your video to YouTube. If you've followed everything in Matt's teaching up to this point, then you've successfully created a video for YouTube, without showing your face. You can continue to do this over and over again, by referencing different channels in your niche and getting inspiration from them. So check out the link at the top of the comments below, to see what we can do to help you with how to make money on YouTube, without recording videos, free training. So, Matt's conclusion is, this is by far the easiest way to make money on YouTube that I've come across, especially if you don't have any money to start with, or don't want to be on video. The easiest way to make money online. We really hope you enjoyed today's video, how to make money on YouTube without recording videos, free training. Click the link at the top of the description below. We are almost finished. Hang in there. I think that this video has given us a lot of information to digest. We would rather that you take advantage of Matt Parr's offer of free training. You will then have a deeper understanding with pictures, and get a lot of good information from Matt. People dripping with money always have a partner. Have you ever seen someone with lots of money, without a partner? To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link in the description below to take you to Matt's free training.